Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install FitGirl games on PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it and go to Virus and Threat Protection and select Manage Settings and turn off the real-time protection. And now go back to Virus and Threat Protection and select the Protection History. And as you can see, Threat Quarantine, click on it and select Yes. And if any game setup is listed, then you just need to select the action and select restore option and select yes. And now the setup file has been restored guys. And go back to virus and threat protection and select manage settings. And now minimize this page guys. And now we have the setup file. Just double click on the setup and select yes, select ok, and select this icon to mute the music. And then if you have less RAM, then you just need to check this box guys, and make sure nothing running in the background. Select the next option and then select next. Select the location where you want to save this game and select next. If you have any extra languages pack listed, then you just need to uncheck it guys. Only the English language you just need to check. Other things check it and then select the install option. Make sure you connected to the internet because it's downloading the DirectX and Visual C++. And now after the game installation done, uncheck this option guys. The site option, uncheck it, and then select the finish option. And as you can see, all files okay. There is no missing or bad file found. And now just to close stuff here, select I accept and select next. This will install the DirectX. After the installation done, this will install the Visual C++ and setup folder. No problem. I already have this Visual C++. And now again select install. This also already have it. So the setup has been filled out. As you can see, the game launched without having any problem. Just press the Windows key on your keyboard and just close this game guys like this. Select the yes option. This will close the game. And now the game launches successful. You just need to open up the Windows security we minimized before and then scroll down and select add or remove exclusion and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select a folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder guys. I saved in C drive. Here is the game folder. Here is the folder, and after selecting the game folder, select folder option. And now the game has been added to this list guys. Go back and turn on the real-time protection, and now you will never face a game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.